Hello students, today I am going to discuss the paper of Sabaragamuwa Provincial Department of Education. Let's start first question. Write down the next two terms of the number pattern. What is this number pattern? 1, 3, 6. This is triangular number pattern. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, then 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. This is triangular number pattern. Look at question number 2. Find the perimeter. Sum of length of these two sides equals 6 cm. And sum of length of these two sides equal 4 cm. Perimeter is 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. Answer is 20 cm. Third one. Price of a pen is X. Price of a book is 30. Write down algebraic expression for the total price 3 pens and 1 book. Price of a pen is X, 3 pens, 3x. And a book, 30 rupees. This is the algebraic expression for total price. Fourth one, express in metric tons and kilograms. 5,008 kilograms. How you can convert this into metric ton? Divide this one by 1000. When you divide this one by 1000, it is 5. So 5 metric ton and remaining 8 kilogram. Fifth one, find the value of x. What is the sum of angle on a straight line? It is equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus x plus 90 equal 180 degrees. 2x plus x, 3x plus 90. To remove this plus 90, subtract 90 from both sides. Plus 90 minus 90 cancel, 3x equal 90. To find x, divide both sides by 3. Here 3 cancel. 90 divided by 3. X equal 30 degrees. This is the answer. Look at sixth one. 4x plus 16. 4x. 4 multiplied by x. 16. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. Then you can see 4 is common to both expressions. So take it out from the brackets. Here brackets. If you take 4 here, x remaining. So write remaining term here. And if you take 4 here, remaining is 4. This is the answer. Seventh question. Express the following expression as a power of a product. 2a to the power 3, b to the power 3. Both powers have same index to the power 3. Now you can take these two terms into a one bracket. 2ab and here index is 3. 2ab to the power 3. Simplify. There is a subtraction of directed numbers. First you have to convert this subtraction into addition. Convert this subtraction into addition and take the additive inverse of the second number. You have to change the sign of this number. It is plus 6. Now you have to add two directed numbers. Same sign. Add these two numbers and put that sign. Answer is plus 9. Name the solid that can be made by using following net and write down number of edges. What is the solid you can make using this net? It is regular octahedron. Question asks number of edges of it. Number of edges is 12. In 10th question, do this correction. Remove this simple b. And name these answers as simple A, simple B and simple C. Now read the question. Underline the correct answer included adjacent angle using the following figure. Now, what are the features of adjacent angle? It has a common arm and common vertex and angles located either side of the common arm. Here, these two pair of angles have a common arm and have common vertex and angles located either side of this common arm. Here, these two angles have a common arm, have common vertex, but angles are not located either side of the common arm. So, these two pair are not adjacent angles. Here, these two angles have a common arm, but there is no common vertex. Here vertex is O, here vertex is D. So, your answer is only A. These two pair is an adjacent angle. Answer is only A. 11th one, find 20th square number. General term of square numbers is n to the power 2. It means n multiplied by n. 20th square number, 20 multiplied by 20, answer is 400. Find the highest common factor of 6xy, 12xyz, 24x. First write these numbers as a product of prime factors. 6xy. 6 you can write as product of prime numbers. 2 multiplied by 3. X multiplied by y. 12. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x, y, z. 24x. Again write this number as a product of prime numbers. Now select the common terms here. 2 common and 3 common and x also common. Then write highest common factor. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. Answer is 6x. 13th one. Find the value of x if AB and CD are straight lines. If AB and CD are straight line, these two are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles equal. Y equals sum of these two angles, 30 plus 28. Answer is 58 degrees. Here is reason vertically opposite angles. Fourteenth one, area of a square shaped land is 900 square centimeter. Find the length of a side. When area is given, to find the length of a side, you have to take the square root of the area. So what is the square root of 900? You can obtain 900 by multiplying 30 by 30. So square root of 900 is 30. Length of a side is 30 centimeter. Look at 15th one. Perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle. Of side 8 centimeter. Length of side of triangle is 8 centimeter. Find the length of a side of the square. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 8 multiplied by 3 sides. 24 centimeters. Perimeter of this square is equal to 24 centimeter. To find the length of a side of this square, divide 24 by 4. Answer is 6 centimeter. Sixteenth one, draw the next term of the pattern and dark as correct it. Here 1, 4 circles, 9 circles, 16. And this is square number pattern 1, 4, 9, 16. But here shaded one is only one circle, and here 3, and here shaded one 6. 1, 3, 6 shaded circles. It is triangular number pattern. Now you have to draw the fifth pattern. It is fifth triangular number. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 25 circles. And shade fourth triangular number. Fourth triangular number is 10. So you have to shade 10 circles here. Look at 17th one. Length of a rectangular classroom is 5 more than 3 times of breadth. Length is 5 more than 3 times of breadth. If the breadth is x, write the area of it. Breadth of rectangle is x. Then what is length? 5 more than 3 times of breadth. 3 times of breadth means 3x. 5 more than mean you have to add 5. How you can find area of this rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. Put a bracket. Here between x and bracket there is a multiplication. So breadth multiplied by length. This is area. Look at 18th one. Mass of a lorry was loaded with cement is 5 ton 350 kilogram. Mass of a lorry is 2 ton and 700 kilogram. Find the mass of cement. You have to subtract these two. 5 ton 350 kilogram minus 2 ton 700 kilogram. Answer is 2 metric ton and 650 kilogram. 19th question. 32 and 58 is a pair of adjacent angles. Is it complement or supplement? First add these two. It is equal 90 degrees. If sum of pair of angle equal 90 degrees, it is complementary angle. This is the answer for 19th one. 20th one. Find the value. First expand this expression. Minus 3 to the power 3. 4 to the power 2. First multiply by these 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. And minus 27. Then multiply these two. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. 27 multiplied by 16 minus 432. This is the answer for 20th one. Let's start paper 2, first question. Find the value minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. There are two mathematical operations, multiplication and addition. Which one you have to do first? First, do the multiplication. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 6. Then plus 4. Here addition of two directed numbers, but the sign is different. First subtract these two and put the sign of the larger one. Answer is minus 2. Second part, find the value of minus 6 minus 5 using the number line. First start this number, first number, minus 6, and take the additive inverse of this number because there is subtraction. You have to take the additive inverse of this number. It is plus 5. If this is plus 5, you have to move right side. Start from minus 6 and move into right side 5 units. Start minus 6 and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ending one is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Now look at part B, first one. Write 180 as a product of prime numbers and represent in index form. First divide 180 by prime numbers. 180 divided by 290, divide by 245, divide by 3 15, divide by 3 5, divide by 5 1. Then you can write 180 equal product of these prime numbers. Then write this in index form. 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 1. This is the answer. Second one, 9x to the power 2 as a power of product. Write 9 as a power with index 2. You can write 9 as 3 to the power 2, x to the power 2. Now both have same index to the power 2. You can take it out from bracket. Answer is 3x to the power 2. Third part, find the value of this expression. Minus 1 to the power 3. If this index is odd number, you have to take negative value here. If this index is even, you have to take positive value. So here odd, take the value as minus 1. 3 to the power 2, 9. 2 to the power 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 5 to the power 2, 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Minus 1 multiplied by 9, minus 9. 4 multiplied by 25, 100. Then addition of two directed numbers with different sign. So you have to subtract these two and put the sign of the large one. Answer is plus 91. Let's start second question. If FG equal BC, find the length of DE. FG 4 cm. It is equal to BC. BC also 4 cm. Find the length of DE. Now find this total length. Here 5 cm and here 4 cm. 5 plus 4, 9 cm. This total length also 9 cm. Sum of these two parts should be equal to 9. So what is the length of this one? 9 minus 4, 5 cm. Length of DE is 5 cm. Second one, find the perimeter of the given figure. You have to add length around this figure. 6 cm, 5. Here sum of these three lengths is equal to 6 cm. Here 4, here 5 and 4. So you have to add 2, 6. And sum of these two parts equal 9. Sum of these two parts also equal 9. Perimeter is 30 cm. Part B, first question. Write this as a product of two factors. So find the common term to these three. What is the largest term? You can divide these three. It is 4. Take it out from the brackets. 16 divided by 4, remaining is 4. 4x. 12 divided by 4, 3 and y. 8 divided by 4, 2. Now you can check whether your answer is correct or wrong by removing brackets of this expression. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Part B, second question. The item list of one parcel for a blood donation has been given below. Sugar, weight of a packet X and number of packets 2. Milk powder, weight of a packet Y, number of packets 2. Build up algebraic expression for weight of 35 such parcels. First find the weight of one parcel. 2 packets of weight X gram. Then 2 multiplied by X. 2 packets of milk powder with weight y. It is 2y. Then add these two. This is the weight of one parcel. Question says there are 35 such parcels. Multiply this one by 35. Put brackets and multiply by 35. Look at fourth one. If x 800, y 200 gram, find the total weight of milk powder in 35 parcels. In one parcel there are 2 packets of milk powder, 2y. 35 parcels, multiply by 35. This is the weight of milk powder in one packet. It is 2y. There are 35 parcels, so multiply by 35. Substitute 200 gram for y. 2 multiplied by 200. Then multiply by 35. Answer is 14,000 kilogram. 14,000 gram. Then you have to convert it into kilogram. Divide this one by 1000. Remove 3 zeros. Answer is 14 kilogram. Let's start third question. First part, simplify. First remove brackets. 2 multiplied by x, 2x. 2 multiplied by minus 3, minus 6. Then minus x and plus 3. What are like terms here? 2x and x. 2x minus x equal 1x. Then minus 6 and plus 3. Different signs. So you have to subtract these two and put the sign of larger one. The value is minus 3. So this is the answer, x minus 3. Look at second part. If x equal minus 3, y equal 2, find the value of x to the power 2y plus 3y to the power 2. First expand this expression. X multiplied by x multiplied by y. 3 multiplied by y multiplied by y. Substitute minus 3 for x and 2 for y. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 plus 9 multiplied by 2, 18. 3 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 2, 12. 18 plus 12, answer is 30. Now look at third part. Simplify and find the factors. Here like terms are 6a to the power 2 and 3a to the power 2. Plus 6a to the power 2 minus 3a to the power 2. You have to subtract these coefficients. 6 minus 3, 3. And 3a to the power 2. These two are like terms. 7ab plus 5ab. 7 plus 5, 12. 12ab. Now you have to factorize this one. Take common terms out from the bracket. What is the largest number you can divide both? It is 3. Take 3. And what are the common algebraic terms? It is simple a. Then write the remaining terms within bracket. Here a to the power 2. We take only one a. So 1a is remaining. Here 12 divided by 3, 4. We take a here and remaining is b. This is the answer. Fourth one, you have to join these expressions. Remove brackets in right hand side. X multiplied by x, x to the power 2. So you can take this one as answer. Check the remaining terms also. Then remove brackets here. X 8xy multiplied by x. X multiplied by x, x to the power 2. It is equal 8x to the power 2y. It is given by this expression. These two are equal. Remove bracket here. Minus 4x multiplied by y. Minus 4xy. It is equal to this one. Remove bracket. 3 multiplied by 5, 15, x multiplied by x to the power 2. 15 x to the power 2. These two also equal. Let's start fourth question, first part. Length of the perimeter of a rectangular building are 50 and 140. This is the length of the rectangular building and this is the perimeter. Length is 50 meter. Find the breadth. You have to find this breadth. When you add in these four sides, it is equal to perimeter 140. But the sum of length of these two sides equal 100. First subtract 100 from 140. It is equal 40 meter. 40 meter equal to sum of length of these two breadth. So what is the value of breadth? Divide 40 by 2. It is 20 meter. Now look at second part. Length of one side of a square shaped tile is 25 centimeter. Length of one side 25 centimeter. Breadth also 25. Square shaped tile. Owner of this building wants to lay tiles one round of inner boundary of this building. One round of inner boundary of this building. Right? Find how many tiles that he wants. Here length of this building is 50 meter. I am going to convert it into centimeters. Multiply this one by 100. Add 2 zeros at the end of the number. 5000 centimeters. Breadth of the building is here 20 meter. 20 meter equals 2000 centimeters. Then you have to find number of tiles in this side, length side. Then find the number of tiles in breadth side. Then add number of tiles along this inner boundary. Number of tiles for length side is 5000. This is the length. Length of a tile is 25. 5000 divided by 25. 200 tiles. Number of tiles for breadth side. Breadth is 2000 divided by 25. 80 tiles. Total number of tiles in inner boundary. Here 200, 80 and here 200 and again 80. Add 200, 200, 80 and 80. Total number of tiles are 560. This is the answer for second one. Third part. Which solid can build using the given net? Here you can make square base pyramid. Answer is square base pyramid. Fourth one. The square faces of above build two solids being fixed together. Two solids being fixed together and make the new solid. Suggest the name for new solid and write the number of faces, vertices, edges. If you face two square faces of square base pyramid, you can build a regular octahedron. Here new solid is regular octahedron. Then question asks faces, vertices and edges of it. In regular octahedron there are 8 faces, 6 vertices and 12 edges. Fifth part. 1 metric ton 250 kg of dal and 3 metric ton of rice are loaded to the lorry of mass 2 metric ton and 750 kg. What is the total weight of lorry with dal and rice? Take the sum of these three masses. metric ton kilogram. Dal 1 metric ton 250 kilogram. Rice 3 metric ton and 0 kilogram. And the mass of lorry is 2 metric ton and 750 kilogram. Add these three. Answer is 7 metric ton. Let's start fifth question. Write the common term and find the 12th term of above number sequence. Here 1, 3, 6, 10. These are triangular numbers. So write the common term of it. N multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the common term. Then find 12th term of it. Substitute 12 for n. N plus 1 is, add 1 here, 13. Divide by 2. You can cancel 2 and 12 by 2. 1, 2 and here 6 2s. 6 multiplied by 13, answer is 78. Second part, find the value. Here subtraction of directed numbers. First convert it into addition. And take the additive inverse of the second number. It is plus 3. Then again subtraction, convert into addition. And take the additive inverse of this number. It is plus half. Now 4 and half plus 3. You have to add all whole numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 and half. Then add half. Half plus half is equal to 1. Then 7 plus 1 equal 8. This is the answer. Third part. Write the following numbers in ascending order. First expand these powers. Minus 10 to the power 3. Minus 10 multiplied by minus 10 multiplied by minus 10. 10 multiplied by 10, 100. 100 multiplied by 10,000. Minus multiplied by minus plus. Plus multiplied by minus minus. Then second one, 3 to the power 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. It is 27. Then here minus 1 to the power 10. This index is even number. If the index is even number, here answer is plus 1. Then 2 to the power 4. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. The value is 16. Then you have to write this in ascending order. First write the smallest one. Smallest one is minus 1000. Then plus 1. Then 16. Then 27. But you have to replace original terms here. Instead of minus 1000, write minus 10 to the power 3. Instead of 1, minus 1 to the power 10. For 16, write 2 to the power 4. For 27, write 3 to the power 3. This is the answer for part A. Part B, find the value. Minus 2 to the power 3, expand this one. Then plus 3 to the power 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 minus 8. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Addition of two numbers with different sign. So you have to subtract these two and put the sign of larger one. Answer is plus 1. Fourth part. Find the value of square root 324 using knowledge of factors. First divide 324 by prime numbers. Divide by 2, 162. Again divide by 2, 81. Divide by 3, 27. Divide by 3, 9. Divide by 3, 3. Again divide by 3, 1. Then write 324 as a product of these prime factors. 324 equal 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then separate these numbers into two equal groups. Here 2 and here 2. 3. Now these two groups are equal. You can write this as index form. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Then take the square root of both sides. Here square and square root cancel to each other, only remaining these numbers. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3, 18. This is the answer for square root 324. Let's start sixth question. A diagram shows a logo. It shows how an equilateral triangle with side 3 cm is cut and removed from a rectangular plate of length 8 cm and breadth 3 cm. This is the removed part and this is the remaining part, and this shaded part represents the logo. Length of side of equilateral triangle is 3 cm. So length here 3, this one also 3. First part asks find the perimeter of the logo. Perimeter equals here 8, 3, another 3, and this one 8, and here 3. 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3. Answer is 25 cm. Second one, write down two Platonic solids. We learn about 5 Platonic solids. Out of those 5 Platonic solids, write the name of 2 Platonic solids. Write the names of 2 figures out of these 5 figures. Look at third one. A composite solid constructed by combining cube and 2 square pyramids. The middle one is cube and these two are square base pyramids. Show that Euler's relationship is true for this composite solid. First find number of faces, vertices and edges in this solid. Number of faces here is 12. Number of vertices 10. Number of edges 20. Now apply these values to Euler's relationship. It is vertices plus faces equal edges plus 2. 10 plus 12. 20 plus 2. 22 equals 22. So Euler's relation is true for this solid. Look at fourth part. AC, AD, BF are straight line segments. Find the magnitude of BED. BED. What can you say about these two angles? They are vertically opposite angles, equal in magnitude. Therefore, BET equal to 70 degrees. Write the reason. Vertically opposite angles. Then find the magnitude of DBC. DBC is this angle. Here AC is a straight line and this is the point on straight line. Sum of angle on this straight line is equal to 180. DBC plus here 25, here 28 plus 25 plus 28 equal 180 degrees. Reason is sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. 25 plus 28, 53 degrees. Subtract 53 from both sides. DBC is equal to 127 degrees. This is the answer for fourth one. Let's start seventh question. First one. Minus 12 divided by 4. Answer is minus 3. Second one. Square root 25 a to the power 2 b to the power 2. You have to take square root of each and every different term. What is the square root of 25? It is 5. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. Here square and square root cancel to each other. Here also square and square root cancel to each other. Only a, b remain. Answer is 5ab. Third part, fill in the blanks. Here 8. Write this in index form. 8 is equal 2 to the power 3. Then 1000. 1000 is equal 10 to the power 3. Here a to the power 3. Then b to the power 3. Here all powers index is 3. You can take it here. So here 2, 10, a, b. 2 multiplied by 10, 20. A multiplied by b, ab. This is the answer. Fourth part, write down next two terms of the given number sequence. First one, 2n 3 over 4, 2n 1 over 2, 2n 1 over 4. I am going to convert this denominator into 4. This one equal 2n 2 over 4. Multiply both by 2. Now, what is the relationship between these three terms? Here 3 over 4, here 2 over 4, here 1 over 4. Here subtract 1/4 from every term. Subtract 1 over 4 from every term. Then to obtain next one, you have to subtract 1 over 4 from this one. Remaining term is 2. Then to obtain the last term, again subtract 1/4 from 2. It remains 1 and 3 over 4. These are the two terms of this number sequence. That is all for today.